Hello student. Now today we study about what is pollination and types of pollination. So pollination, it is the process of transfer of pollen grain from anther of flower to stigma of same or different flower. It is called as pollination. So types of pollination. Pollination classified into two types. The first one, that is self-pollination, and the second one, cross-pollination. So in self-pollination, there is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower on the same plant. It is called as self-pollination. While in cross-pollination, the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of flower on other plant of same or different species. So this self-pollination and cross-pollination, it is again divided into following type. So self-pollination, it classified into autogamy and geitonogamy. So first autogamy. So in autogamy, there is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower. It is called as autogamy. So this is diagram. In this diagram, this is flower. So the pollen grain of same flower deposited on stigma of same plant, same flower. So these are called as autogamy. The next one, geitonogamy, in which there is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of another flower. So this is plant, same plant, but there are two different flowers. So there is transfer of pollen grain from one flower to another stigma, but of same plant. So the next one, that is cross-pollination. In cross-pollination, the first type, xenogamy, and the second one, hybridization. In xenogamy, there is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma on the other plant of same species. So there are two type of plant. So in these two type of plant, the transfer of pollen grain from one plant to another plant of stigma, but of same species. In hybridization, there is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma on other plant of different species. So these are two plants of different species, and pollen grain transfer from one flower to another of different species. So these are the types of pollination, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Again, there